Hello, Roy speaking. I believe you see a lot of sanitation trucks and special vehicles drive on the street. But do you know how our cobots support their production? Collaborative volume robots are changing how we build specialized vehicles. Unlike traditional robots, they are flexible, easy use, easy programming, quick deploy, and work right alongside your team. This makes them perfect for the complex, high-mixed production in sanitation truck or specialized vehicles manufacturing. Think about the sanitation truck. The beams are compact, and the lifting mechanisms take a beating. A collaborative welding robot or Cobot handles these repetitive structural welds. It ensures consistent penetration or a clean seal every time. This prevents leaks and extends the life of the track. Let's look at the specialized vehicles like trucks with reinforced front walls or specialized cargo boxes. These parts are heavy and the weld seams are often very long. Cobots handle the straight line and the finished welding on front of the plate and side walls. This removes the physical strain on the worker and speed up the production. For specialized vehicles, military, mining, or emergency equipment, quality is critical. These vehicles face extreme stress. Cobots provide the precision needed for high strength steel. They deliver perfect, repeatable welds on the complex brackets and armored components. In short, from sanitation truck to specialized vehicles, collaborative volume robots deliver consistency. They solve labor gaps, improve quality and precise weld at one time. This is Roy speaking. If you want to know more information about Cobot, let me know.